In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into the Slack app on your mobile phone. If you want to access your messages, channels, and workspace updates while you're away from your computer, Slack makes it very simple to get started. I'll walk you through the sign in process in a clear and easy way so you can follow along on your phone without any confusion. First, open the Slack app on your mobile device. If you do not already have it installed, go to the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android and download it first. Once the app is installed, tap to open it. Make sure you are using the official Slack app so the sign in process works smoothly. When the app opens, tap the button that says Sign In. This will take you to the screen where Slack gives you a few different ways to access your account. Next, choose the sign-in method that works best for you. Depending on how your account or workspace is set up, you may see options to continue with Google, continue with Apple, or sign in with your email address. If you already use one of those account options for Slack, choosing the same method can make the process faster and easier. If you decide to sign in using your email address, enter it carefully and continue to the next screen. Slack will then send a confirmation message to your inbox. At this point, stay on your phone and check your email for the message from Slack. If it does not appear right away, give it a moment and also check your spam or junk folder just in case. Once you find the email, open it and look for the magic link. Tapping that link will verify your account and bring you back into the Slack app. In some cases, you may also be given a 6-digit code on your screen. If that happens, simply enter the code where prompted to complete the verification process. After your account is verified, Slack may show you one or more workspaces linked to your sign-in. Select the specific workspace you want to access, and you will be taken directly into your channels and conversations. And that's it. You are now signed in and ready to use Slack on the go. If you switch between multiple workspaces, just make sure you choose the correct one each time so you land in the right place.